See, it looks like it's spinning, like the two different levels of cloud, and it's an updraft. You're right.
And it's like right in that midsection.
Just keep an eye on
Oh, it's turning. You see it? Fine, I think we ought to go.
it. Steven.
You see it?
It's right in that middle section that's turning.
I don't know if that's it. This would be a separate cell. We're gonna just watch this for a second. I don't like the whole thing right here. Looks like it's doing that. Look over
Yeah,
there.
over here too.
Over
Right
there,
there.
it looks like the
spread.
beginning of a, and it's turning.
Claire, come here. Patrick, come here.
Tornado?
Looks like the starter one, maybe, buddy.
We're gonna go in that stairwell, most likely, right here.
Tornado.
All right, why don't y'all go in the stairwell in the outside? Go, Yvette. You going with them?
Right here?
Yep.
Tornado. Tornado.
Just go in. Don't shiver the shoes. Get in the stairwell. See, I'm watching that. You see that? Look how quickly that's moving up.
Oh yeah,
Jesus. And now it's got complete. And it's got
That's us moving this way.
And it's gotten completely silent.
I don't see the downspout.
No, nor do I. But I'm just. But look over there.
Tremendous. You can see it sucking this cause all over.
But look over there. That's going opposite. Dude, look at that. Oh, I think. Look at that updraft right there, dude. It's tornado warning. Oh, there it is, Steven.
Oh, yep, yeah, right there it is.
Hurry up!
It is right there. You see it spinning.
Oh, Jesus. Let me do this as long as I can. Those people better hurry up.
I can yell at them.
It was definitely the start of one.
Definitely.
Now it can pick up and touch back down anywhere else.
Wasn't that far away either.
No. Like
I mean, not that we were in this piece.
Sarasota. Dude, that's
Oh, you can
nuts.
see it right there. It's right there.
Where-
Still see it
oh,
right
yeah.
there. Straight ahead.
Oh man, look at that.
It's getting bigger. It's getting wider. Wait,
Oh, no, don't freak them out. I can see debris in the air.
me too. They try to get in.
I hope they did.
No, they're
Dude,
hustling.
that's-
They're hustling.
Oh yeah, here it is. Here it is. Look at it. There. Right there. Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Can go right across the golf course. Ooh, look at that. Oh, there it is. Look.
Oh yeah. It's wider than the center is. Like,
Ooh, look at that. Ooh, it's forming. Look at that sucker.
it's even big, like bigger. You can see the. Now you can see how the break.
It's it's getting the negative pressure could be the problem.
Right. Lost it.
I see it. It's still directly north of it. Oh, geez, look at that.
Where?
Stuff flying in the air.
Where?
Right north of us. Look at it. The stuff being ripped off the roofs. Look, you can see the stuff in the air.
Oh yeah, the power lines just went out. I saw the blinking lights from the power lines.
Ooh, look at that stuff. Oh, yeah, you can see.
It's definitely hitting.
I mean, I'm hoping that's the worst past us. Boy, that stuff's.
I think it's obscured by the rain now. Perhaps.
Yeah.
But you can see by the blinkiness.
I mean, that might have hit like Acme. I mean, what's that thing with the white top over there? It definitely hit over there. Dude, that was crazy. I'm watching, see between the aerial dunes, see if you see a second.
I see the 60 over there. 1,000 feet.